Fall is here, the seasons have changed, and my hair needs to stop being blonde. I absolutely hate my hair right now. Y'all, I need a change. Let's go to the store. Cosmoprof, let's go. Y'all, I have no idea exactly what color or level my roots are at, but I'm gonna give this my absolute best guess. Okay, now is it sad covering up all the months of blonding I did to my hair? Yes. But is it necessary for a change? Yes. Yeah, I think this might work. So we grabbed 6 NB for no big deal. NB does not stand for natural brown, it stands for no biggie. My roots are definitely darker than 6, but you know what? I didn't want to fully commit. So this is my happy medium. I kind of want to keep a little streak in the front. Blonde, violet, metallic. I haven't touched Kenra Color's metallics yet, so we'll see how this goes. I'm gonna try to do everything all at once. First off, because I only have like 40 minutes until I have to leave here and go to my friends. Y'all know me, I'm always rushing. ADHD for ya. I'm also drinking pumpkin spice coffee right now, and it tastes so good. Let's figure out what we're doing, shall we? Okay, yeah, it's hair dye night. Even though I should have probably waited till the morning because I'm so busy. Why do I put everything off and do it so late? I don't really know, but my diagnosis would say you do know. Yo, my hair is at the most awkward phase right now ever. I'm not shaving the bottom anymore, so we are just letting it grow in, and it's driving me crazy. I have to remember it's just a phase. It's just a phase right now. My hair will keep growing and it won't look like this. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. What are we thinking for the blonde streak? What are we thinking for the blonde streak? What are we thinking? A chunk in the front? Is that too big of a chunk? That's kind of big. Do I like it though? Yeah, I feel okay about that. Like a little off center. I don't know if it's the coffee or me being so late to doing stuff, but I am feeling a sort of way right now. Okay, let's just do it. You know, let's just do it. Like, what are we waiting for? What are we waiting? Oh, just a little bit of bleach. Oh, that's too much bleach. I already did too much. 30 volume, so we can lift extra fast. Boop, 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 boop. I just remembered that I'm allergic to bleach. Okay, I'm gonna cut this up. Boop, boop. We're gonna do really small sections and going up to the roots. Or not all the way up to the roots, but we're gonna go close to the roots. This is looking good. Just gonna do that. Wow. Perfect, perfect. If we fold it up, keep the heat in. Doing it again. I am nervous about my roots, but it's okay because I have the 6N that can fix everything. So now this is gonna process, get all light and luscious, and I'm gonna slowly keep an eye on it. But while this is processing, guess what, y'all? We can do the next thing. So let's mix up the level 6 for the rest of my hair. Yeah, yeah, level 6 for the rest of my hair. Yeah, yeah. Y'all, we are cruising. Is it the coffee? Could be. We are doing a little 1-for-1 ratio here. Check it out. Oh yeah. 31, perfect. Cap that. I have to be at a party in a little bit. But here I am dyeing my hair. Mix, mix, mix. Oh, there is something about fall. Something about fall that typically people end up dyeing their hair darker. I don't know why. It's like it's an unspoken rule that happens to be spoken a lot. Do I follow all the trends? No. Do I follow this trend? Yes. Yes. Yes, I do. I do. For more than one reason though. Will I regret this? Maybe. I might regret this. Got it. Do you want to know why I ended up so last minute being like, I need to dye my hair? Well, editing my last video where I go thrifting, do a little fall haul. First time in a while I saw the back of my head and I didn't like what I saw. I did not like that. I was wearing a beanie and my little blonde hair was sticking out the back and you could see the dark underneath it, and I didn't like it. I will definitely do blonde tips again in the future, but you know what? The grow out from a shaved head, that's difficult anyway, right? In the past, the awkward phase was probably the first 3 months of growing out a shaved head, but guess what? I skirted right through that. I skirted through it by doing different haircuts and stuff, and it looks so good. But I would say right now, I'm in it. I am in it right now. Now I just gotta comb through and make sure everything is all coated and good. I really like how it's changing already. Ah! The level 6 is all up in my hair. Okay, let's take a look at the blonde and see how we're doing with that. It's been about 10 minutes. Okay, we are moving. Is it a level 10 though? No. I'm gonna wait like 10 minutes, rinse, and then we'll see what's up. And then I'll figure out what I'm gonna do next, because that's a little too far in the future for me right now. I got a little antsy. So I got a little bored and I rinsed it out, but I rinsed it out way too early. That's on me, I did that. So let's dry it and do it again. Woo! Okay. Yeah, we need to fix this fast. Round 2. Unfortunately, this sets me back a little bit, and now I won't be on time to go to my friends to then go to a party. It happens. I'm just gonna start opening this up and get on making the toner just to save some time, right? A little bit of volume 10. Is that even? I'm not sure. You might say like, Hannah, why didn't you just do this earlier in the day? Well, it's because I accidentally took an hour-long nap after I ate a giant bowl of spaghetti, okay? That's why. Calling it here, whatever level it's at, that's what it's gonna be, and I can always go back in later. Oh no! Oh my goodness. How did I accidentally bleach that? Okay, this is gonna work. This is gonna work. I'm just gonna take this, because that still has dye on it, and then I'm gonna rub it right on there. Maybe it's not too late. Maybe it's not too late for me. I cannot believe that happened. I am so glad I didn't rinse my hair yet. This is definitely not a level 9, but we're gonna pretend it is for the sake of me not bailing on my night's plans. We're gonna add the color. Right now we're adding the toner to make it more violet and less like yellow. Okay, let's do this thing. Everything that is a 9 or higher will all stay a level 9. However, if it is lower than a 9, then that's just too bad. But I believe in this. At least the ends won't be like super bright like they just were. And now I'm gonna text my friend and say, I'm so sorry I'm running so late. Yeah, I'm feeling good. Woo! That's on doing things so late. Oh my god. Oh, I forgot I was still recording. Ooh, and look at that color. Oh, this blonde is definitely not a level 9. Maybe I'm gonna add a booster. Maybe I'll add a booster, add a little purple in there, and then it will all look a little bit better. Yeah, let's do that. I'm glad I keep like a backstock of a bunch of colors at my house. So we're gonna add a little silver violet. This doesn't have a level, so it'll just kind of move everything along a little bit. A little bit of that in there. Okay, and now add that to my hair. I kind of like where it's going right now, but you know what? We really need this. Need this all a little bit more silver. Here we go. Whew. My eyeball is inhaling this right now. Y'all, I'm gonna let this sit for a couple minutes. We'll rinse it out and see how it looks. Ah! Oh my goodness, y'all. Look at this. My hair hasn't been like all brown since I last shaved it in October last year. I've also never had just a colored streak in my hair, so Fun for me, fun for me. I think I matched up the brown pretty well, but it is still wet. So we'll see how it really looks when it dries. Now today, tonight I am leaving my hair like relatively straight. So I'm gonna put in some products and just like kind of let it do its thing. I am absolutely loving this, and now I can let it just keep growing out and I still have the fun, edgy little piece. Okay, so I'm gonna do my hair, let this dry, and I'll be back in a little bit. Oh my goodness, y'all. So I'm obsessed. Suddenly, I've never heard of an awkward phase before in my life, and my hair is beautiful and I'm feeling great. I also am so shaky from this coffee. Should have stopped drinking it a while ago. Y'all, thank you so much for watching my little transformation today. Let me know what you think of this hair, and let me know if I should put a color in the streak later. Go do something with your hair, have some fun. You know, the seasons have changed and we've changed too. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!